Welcome. In this short video, we'll show you how to use the eGlobe G2 Clear Chart Collection tool. This tool helps fix problems when different chart permits like ECDIS and AVCS are used together, or when the inventory report isn't up to date. It clears the chart collection so your system can work properly again. To begin, download the provided software using the secure download link. Locate the file titled eGlobe G2 Clear Chart Collection signed 2020 and save it to your computer. Before proceeding, ensure that the USB drive is formatted with the FAT32 file system, as this is required for compatibility. Once the download is complete, refer to the accompanying guide to obtain the password needed to extract the contents of the zip archive. After entering the password, extract all files directly to a blank USB drive. Make sure the files are placed in the root directory of the USB. Do not create or use any subfolders during extraction. Before proceeding, shut down all ECDIS stations on board. If there is more than one station, it is essential that the backup station is the first to be powered off to maintain proper system synchronization and avoid data conflicts. Once all stations are shut down, power on the master station and wait until navigation mode is fully loaded. Once it's fully up and running, exit navigation mode to proceed with the next steps. Double check if the navigation mode off. If the integrator shows information as example, then insert USB to your ECDIS. If the button is still showing in blue, then click on the button and select Settings from the taskbar, then press the Exit Navigation Mode button again. Insert your USB medium into the external USB socket on the ECDIS unit and wait approximately 45 seconds. Please note, if your vessel is equipped with an eChart secure gateway, the USB stick must be inserted into the gateway instead. Next, click on Update Software. This will open the software update window. From the list, select the file named eGlobe G2 Clear Chart Collection given version, then click Install. A warning message will appear asking for confirmation to proceed with the update. When prompted, simply select Yes to continue. When you see the confirmation window pop up, simply click OK. The system will then automatically restart. Once that's complete, proceed to shut down the master station. It is essential that the ECDIS is completely switched off. Proceed to the next station only after seeing a completely black screen and the on/off turning red. Otherwise you risk that wrong data is synchronized again, which requires a new start. Next, move on to the backup station. Here, you'll need to repeat the clear chart procedure and apply it just as you did before. After that, we're ready for a fresh start. Begin by powering on the master station and wait until the navigation mode is fully loaded. Then, do the same for the backup station, start it up and wait until its navigation mode is also fully loaded. Once all done, please make sure that the inventory on both ECDISes is now empty. If you encounter any problems during these steps, don't worry. Simply take a picture of the screen or the error message shown, click on System Shutdown, and inform ChartWorld about the issue. This ensures that any problems can be addressed quickly and efficiently. Still have questions or need urgent help? Our global emergency team is available 24/7, just a call or message away.